Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On 28th and 29th September, the meeting of the Mediterranean region of the Salesian congregation was held in Lisbon. Convened by the Councillor for the Mediterranean region, Father Juan Carlos Perez Godoy, the provincials and provincial vicars of the provinces that make up this region gathered: Portugal, the 2 provinces of Spain, the 6 provinces of Italy, and the province of the Middle East. Stefano Martoglio, Vicar of the Rector Major and Salesian Coadjutor Jean-Paul Muller, General Bussar of the Salesian congregation, also took part in these 2 days of work and animation. Both illustrated various topics related to the life of the congregation and the journey of the provinces in this Salesian region. In addition, other issues of coordination in Salesian mission and formation were also discussed. A 151 years have passed since St. John Bosco founded in Alassio the first Salesian school outside Piedmont, and since then many generations of students and teachers have alternated on the school desks, and the compass continues to be the Salesian charism. Many of the Don Bosco's pedagogical insights are now shared in many educational contexts, but that happy union of reason, religion, and loving kindness, pillars of the preventive system designed by Don Bosco, can be found and breathe only in the Salesian school. In all these years, inevitably many things have changed, but there is a red thread that accompanies the story of Don Bosco of Alassio: the presence of a beautiful educational community that daily knows how to get involved, welcoming with hope the challenges of the present time. The Salesian missionaries of the Don Bosco camp in Gumbo donated food rations, personal hygiene products, and other basic necessities to the internally displaced people of the Juba refugee camp. The donations were made possible thanks to funding from donors from Salesian missions, the Salesian Missionary Procuratorate based in New Rochelle, United States. The Juba refugee camp is run by the Salesians of the parish of St. Vincent de Paul and currently houses 9,742 people. Most of them are women without husbands, children, the elderly, and orphans. The camp was established in January 2014 after the outbreak of the Civil War in December 2013. Salesian Missions funding helped support 230 vulnerable people in the camp for 2 months. Those who received food assistance and other supplies were mostly orphans, widows and widowers, families with children, people with psychological and depressed disorders, and other fragile groups. Each person received 20 kgs of ground flour, 1 kg of salt, 3 liters of cooking oil, and 5 kgs of beans per month. They also received soap and other hygiene supplies. On Wednesday, September 22nd, on the campus of the Salesian Polytechnic University UPS of Quito, the forum was inaugurated: Formation for Work and Employability of Young People, in the presence of Father Francisco Sanchez, Superior of the Salesian Province of Ecuador, Father Juan Cardenas, Rector of the UPS, and Mr. Patricio Donoso, Minister of Labor. About 250 participants, some in presence and others online, attended the forum, which was attended by various social, political, and business institutions of Ecuador. The aim of the event was to keep active the reflection on the theme addressed through a permanent roundtable that brings together actors from the public, private, and civil society sectors in order to make visible the efforts made and promote policies, programs, and projects that strengthen training. The relief work of the Salesian of Don Bosco of the Vice Province of Haiti, HAI, to the population affected by the earthquake of August 14 continues. In recent days in Les Cayes, hot meals have been distributed to 500 families. On September 24th, in the Salesian presence of Quetta, during the evening mass, 6 women made the promise to spread the devotion of Mary under the title of Help of Christians, thus giving life to a new ADMA group. Father Samuel Adnan SDB gave them the images of Mary, Help of Christians, and encouraged them to spread her devotion in their territories, together with the love of Jesus in the Eucharist. Father Noble Lal SDB will lead the formation of this new ADMA group in addition to the one already present in the city of Lahore. On September 24th, the post-novitiate of the Salesians of Don Bosco of Lomé officially opened its pastoral year during the Mass of Thanksgiving. For the year 2021 to 2022, the community of the post-novitiate of Lomé is composed of 69 Salesians, 60 post-novices and 9 formators. On September 21st, Father Juan Carlos Quirarte, SDB, as head of the Salesian Social American Network, participated together with representatives of other religions and Christian churches in the forum, Contributions and Actions of Religious Communities for the Construction of Peace, as part of the third Interreligious Day for Peace convened by the government of Mexico. During his speech, Father Quirarte stressed that harmonization between the pillars of every religion and spirituality contributes to peace, highlighting the need to broaden the perspective of religious communities. With regards to the work of Salesians of Don Bosco, he underlined the specific commitment with young people of greater vulnerability, young migrants, young people in conflict with the law, disadvantaged young people, especially with motor disabilities. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.